Hello, it's me Robi. Welcome back. Japanese people use an unique way to multiply any numbers. Japanese students use this diagram to multiply two numbers. I will show you how does Japanese people use this diagram for multiplication purpose. Let's consider two random numbers 13 and 12. I will multiply this 13 by 12 as a Japanese student. I am using different colors to make you understand what exactly happening here. First, consider this number. Draw a line. This one means one single line. Keep a distance and make three lines after space. That means 1, 2, 3. This green color 3 means this 3. Now, I have to draw another line. This is this color, exactly here. And then keep a certain distance and draw these two lines on this side, 1 and 2. Now this is the interesting part. This is number 1. You have to count this point. This point means you write here 1 and then count this point 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and write here 5. Now you count this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. That means 13 times 12 multiplication result is 156. Yes, according to this Japanese diagram, 13 times 12 is 156. Yes, you can see the calculator. My calculator has something problem. 12 and 13 is 156. Let's try another example. 13 times, let's say 14. Simple example. Draw this line 1, like this way, 1. And then I have to draw this 3. 3 means 3 line. 1, 2, and then 3. And draw this 1 exactly crossbar. And draw this 4. That means 4 lines here. And 4. So what we have to do, count this crossing point means 1 and then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This is 7 and next one is 1, 2, 11 and then 12 and this is 12. Interestingly, here we supposed to be 3 digit, but it's 4 digit. That means it's even number. In this case, we have to consider at the first digit, is it even or odd number? It's odd number. That means we have to add this middle 2 number. 1 remaining here, 7 plus 1 is 8 and then 2. That means 182 is the answer. To make it clear, let's make one more example. Let's say 23 times let's say 42. What's the answer of it? We have to draw 2 lines first. These 2 lines, 2, and next one is 3 line, and this is 3 line, and then next line is 4 line, that is cross line. I would like to say 1, 4. Keep a certain space and make this 2 means 2 lines are here. 1, 2. Count this cross point 1, 2, 8 and write this number 8 here. Then count this point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 15 and 16. Write exactly back to back 16. And next one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at here. The total number of digits is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit even number. And as I told you before now, what's happened? We have to count this first digit. First is odd or even. It was odd number. And look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. 4 digit and then this first number is even number. In this case, we have to add this first 2 digit. Okay. So what is happening? 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 is here and this 6 is here. Yes, 966 is the answer. That means 23 times 42 is 966. Now let's make another example. Let's say 2 digits 15 times 16. In this case, I think you are used to, so I am using the single color. 1 means 1 line here. And then 5 means 5 lines here. And then it's 5. This 1 means draw 1 line here exactly. This 6 means 1 and then let's say 6. What we have to do? We have to count this point. First point means 1. Write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means write it here. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then let's say 6. What we have to do? We have to count this point. First point means 1. Write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That means write it here. 11. Now third time is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now next one is count all these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 times 5 means 30. Write it here 30. Interestingly, in this case we have total 5 digits. If it is 5 digits, then directly you have to add this first 2 digit and then add this 2 digit. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4 and this is 0. That means this is the answer, 240. 15 times 16 is 240. Yes, this is the answer. Japanese students use this method to multiply any numbers in their school life. Actually, they learn in details how mathematically they can learn everything in their childhood. That's why they are the really best. But in practical life, this is so much complicated and time consuming, so they don't use this method. They only use this method during their childhood or during their primary level. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would like to request you to subscribe this channel. It will help me, it will inspire me to make further better content. And I hope you enjoy it. You share this video, like, and if you have any comments, write it in the comment section. I will try to reply it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in next time. Bye bye.